Lionel Robbins is an early classical economist who lived in the late 19th century from 1898 and died in the year 1984. Lionel Robbins describes economics as a science that studies human behavior as a relationship between end and scarce means that have alternative uses. Lionel Robbins was a British economist, and he was a prominent member of the economics department at the London School of Economics. He is famous for the quote, "Humans want what they cannot have." So let us look at what Lionel Robbins had to say about the study of economics. So when Lionel Robbins says that economics is the science that studies human behavior, he's trying to say that economics is studied like any other science. We study economics by analyzing, observing, and developing theories of human behavior. And it is a social science. It is not it's a particular type of science which we call a social science. And this social science studies human behavior. And it studies human behavior in the context of, it says the word between ends and scarce means. The meaning of end means the want. The human want is referred to as end. Ultimately, the end of the objective of production is to satisfy human want. And when Robbins talks about ends, he means to say that human wants are numerous and unlimited. They never get satisfied. It multiplies and it is infinite. But he also means to say that wants can be arranged in order of importance. For example, when you come inside the dining hall, you're feeling very hungry. Definitely, you would also want to study. But at the same time, when you walk inside the dining hall, the want of food is more important than the want of study. So definitely, at different points of time, wants can always be arranged in the order of importance. And this helps the science of economics to give a solution to the fact that there are numerous wants. The other thing that the economist wants to say is that all the resources that we have, they are scarce. They are not unlimited. Wants may be unlimited, but at the same time, the resources that are there to fulfill the wants are limited. So when we walk inside the dining hall of our school, though we might have different wants, like for example, someone might want a pizza, someone might want a cake, someone might want palak paneer and all different kind of food, but whatever is lying in the kitchen, we can only make certain amount of things. So what we will do is we will actually try to arrange and make a menu in such a way that we fulfill the most important wants first. So all the scarce resources, even though we can make different things with the scarce resources, we choose one particular thing to make depending on which particular want is more important. So therefore, economics is also a problem of choice. So economics, the study of economics, tells us how to make a choice properly, how to choose between making this against making the other item. So let's look at Robbins' definition once again. Robbins says that economics is the science that studies human behavior as a relationship between ends and scarce means that have alternative uses. Once more, when he says science, he means to say that economics is a social science that studies human behavior. And we study human behavior with the objective of studying what humans want. The word ends refers to the human wants. So we study economics with the objective of studying how human beings behave on fulfilling their wants. And we should know that wants are numerous and they can be arranged in a systematic manner. And we also need to know that the resources or whatever we have to fulfill the wants are limited. We don't have unlimited amount of resources to fulfill all our wants. We have only certain amount of resources, and these resources, the best part of it is that they can be used in different ways. And this use in different ways, the word to describe that is called alternative uses.